Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we'll be talking about the best gel base bond and top coat UV LED set you can find. The Gellen Gel Top Coat and Base Coat 2PC set. If you've been looking for a high-quality, long-lasting gel nail solution that provides a glossy, professional finish, this set might just be the perfect choice for you. First, let's start with the basics. This set includes 2 bottles, each containing 18 milliliters of product. One is the strong gel base coat, and the other is the glossy gel top coat. The base coat is designed to provide a smooth and strong adhesion to your nails, ensuring that your nail polish stays put for longer. The top coat, on the other hand, gives your nails that ultra-glossy, mirror-like shine that's perfect for both special occasions and everyday wear. What sets this gel base and top coat apart is its durability. The formula is designed to last for up to 28 days when applied correctly. That's right, no more worrying about chipped nails after just a few days. The advanced formula offers excellent protection against scratches, stains, and peeling, making sure your nails look fabulous for weeks. Another great feature is that both the base coat and top coat are easy to apply. You simply need to cure them under a UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds, and you're good to go. The slightly sticky base coat helps the next polish layer adhere better, ensuring a long-lasting finish. And if you're in a hurry, the top coat dries faster than most alternatives out there, saving you time and effort. Not only is this product durable and efficient, but it's also made with healthier ingredients. Gellen's Gel Base and Top Coat set uses a non-toxic, low-odor formula that's cruelty-free and gentle on your nails and skin. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants a beautiful manicure without the harmful chemicals found in some other products. The Gellen Gel Top Coat and Base Coat set is suitable for natural nails, artificial nails, and even nail tips, making it a versatile addition to your nail care routine. Whether you're doing your nails at home or visiting your favorite nail salon, this product works perfectly for both beginners and experienced users. To summarize, the Gellen Gel Top Coat and Base Coat set is a top-tier product for anyone looking to elevate their nail game. Its long-lasting formula, glossy finish, and easy application make it an essential addition to your beauty arsenal. Whether you're a gel nail enthusiast or just looking for a reliable base and top coat, Gellen has got you covered. Thanks for watching today's review. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best beauty and personal care products.